Welcome everyone, we're in the Buckley camper trailer right now and I'm going to show you how to convert this table dining area into a sleeping space. So you grab this table and you pop it up here on the bed. It's a bit easier to do it that way. There's a lever on the side here, it's spring loaded and the legs clip under there. So in your trailer you will have received this extra slat of timber here. There's a lip that runs around the bottom here of the seating space. So we sit that in there and then we flip the table around. Then you will have these two extra cushions here and one there and one there. And now you have this space here for lounging around or sleeping those kids. Aside from my soul.